Hi friends, I got a special box and I waited. I have not smelled these. I wanted to go live and do a first test with you guys. So my box was actually supposed to be here yesterday and FedEx isn't cutting it. Charlene, if you watch this video, here's your order. I'm sending it out tomorrow. These are the Black Raspberry Vanilla Scentspirations collections. These are available for early access right now for consultants only. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So what the Scentspirations thing is, we actually started it, I think, a couple of years ago, in like Christmas, like right before the holiday season. It was like, I think, November. And we did the first ever Scentspirations collection with vanilla bean butter cream. And we took vanilla bean butter cream and we made a full wax collection, like themed, based, whatever you want to, however you want to think of it, based around vanilla bean butter cream. And it was crazy popular. I freaking loved it. It had candy cane buttercream and gingerbread buttercream and caramel buttercream. It was so good. And so then that next spring, we came out with the second one, which was the Go-Go Mango Scentspirations. And then last year, we had the Christmas Cottage Scentspirations. And now we have Black Raspberry Vanilla. So last spring, with being Go-Go Mango, like I really liked them. I really liked them, the margarita one. But I've never been a huge fan of Go-Go Mango. So I wasn't as excited as I am for this. Oh my goodness. And I think this has like 5 bars in it instead of, I know the other ones were 4. I can't remember. I probably should have looked. But here's the packaging. This launches, I believe, on May 12th. I probably should look. You know, my internet has been slow today. And whenever I'm actually in the mood to be really productive and get a lot of work done and my internet wants to lag all day, it's really freaking frustrating. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, yes, there's 5 in here. There's normally only 4. This collection launches May 13th. May 13th. So it is gonna come in a box if you buy the full bundle, but these are gonna be available individually. Yes. So these are going to be available individually for the $6, or you can bundle to save, and you will be able to add all of these to Scentsy Club. So we took the #1 best-selling fragrance, Black Raspberry Vanilla, and made 4 brand new scents on it. Oh, so here's the classic. If you buy the full bundle, you're going to get an original Black Raspberry Vanilla. Delicious, sun-sweetened dark berries warmed with vanilla. I love Black Raspberry Vanilla. I know that there are like a lot of people who aren't crazy about it, but I love this scent. And I feel like fragrance companies all have like their own sort of Black Raspberry Vanilla fragrance. It's always been one of my favorites. It was actually one of the first waxes. I placed my first Scentsy order. I got 6 car bars. And then the second order after that, like a couple weeks later, I got 1 bar of Black Raspberry Vanilla and 1 bar of Blueberry Cheesecake. And I've loved it ever since. So now we have 4 brand new ones. And this one is the one I'm most excited for. This is Black Raspberry Woods. Y'all know how much I love woods. This is Deep Forest Woods, Shade Wild Dark Berries. Let me get my nose ready. Oh, it's everything I was hoping it for to be. It's everything I was hoping it to be. I love it. Oh, definitely not like an overpowering woods. I feel like it's like a medium performance woods, like just sniff wise on cold sniff. Cannot wait. The next time, I just changed up my waxes yesterday. So next time I change out my waxes, like this weekend or something, I'm going to warm these. I love it. So far, I'm going to put that #1. I'm not going to count. I'm going to rate these, but I'm not going to count Black Raspberry Vanilla because, I mean, you know, been around for over a decade. Next we have Black Raspberry Sangria. This one is juicy dark berries and vibrant orange with a splash of fruit nectar. I've seen a lot of people talking about this one that like already got their orders in. What does this remind me of? It reminds me like of a sister scent to Paradise Punch. Like Paradise Punch but with the dark berries instead. Like a black raspberry version of Paradise Punch. Oh my Lanta! I love it. Holy crap. Okay. I don't know which one I'm going to put in the number. So far, we got 2 in my number 1 spot. Okay, let's keep going. Next, we got Black Raspberry Frosting. So this is the bakery scent. I love how we also did, so we did a woods, we did a fruity / citrus, we did a bakery, and then last we have a fresh. So it's kind of cool how they targeted like each, you know, fragrance family and didn't just do like all fruity or all bakery. But Black Raspberry Frosting is whipped marshmallow and buttercream, sweetened, rich dark berries. It's definitely heavy on the marshmallow and buttercream. It does not remind me of vanilla bean buttercream. It's, oh, my nose is stuffy. Definitely medium, not overpowering, and not too bakery. But it has enough of the bakery to be considered bakery, but it's not like vanilla bean buttercream where it's gonna like punch you in the face. You know what I mean? That's exciting. I'm gonna put that one right here. I've just not really been a bakery person. The last years, I've just really, I don't know, like I started out as like a #1 bakery fragrance family girl, and my nose has evolved, and I guess I've just like really, with Scentsy, I've been able to experience and learn more about fragrance and learn more about like what I like. So I love it. I'm gonna put that in number 2 though. But last but not least, we have Black Raspberry Linen. This is also one that people have been raving about. This one is fresh dark berries, bring vibrance to warm linen. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. It's like magnolia linen, but with like a black raspberry note. This would be awesome in a laundry. Maybe they'll listen and do it that one day. So clean and fresh. So like if you like clothesline and magnolia linen, this is like those, but with a black raspberry hint to it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so if I have to number them, and I can't have 2 in the same spot, I think I'm gonna go with it. I love them all, by the way. So even the 4th one is not bad at all. This is just my personal preference. 4th, I think I'd put the Black Raspberry Frosting. And then 3rd would be the Black Raspberry Linen. And then, this is hard. What would y'all do? What would you do? Would you put the Black Raspberry Woods or the Black Raspberry Sangria in the number 1 spot? I need help. I think the Sangria is yelling at me. If this one had just a hint of more woods in it, just a hint, this is not overpowering in the woods department. So if you don't really like woodsy scents, don't let the woods in the name scare you away. These are also pretty. I just love the color. I think I might have to put Sangria first. Look how pretty they are, guys. Ah! And they match my little pad thing. So first up, just a cold sniffs. I have not warmed these yet. So whenever I warm them, my review, my opinion, whatever, might change. Black raspberry sangria. Second, black raspberry woods. Third, black raspberry linen. And fourth, the black raspberry frosting. I did not put this in the lineup just because, I mean, this is, I already know I love this. This is already available. But we took this scent and we made 4 new babies out of it. And I love them. I cannot wait to warm them. Holy crap. So if the performance is amazing, it's going to be really hard for me not to put all of these in my Scentsy Club. I mean, even if I do, I'm going to do it. But I guess we will see based on the performance and like how strong they are and how long they last. Again, these launch May 13th. But if you are a VIP, which you are if you're watching this live, check out my post from yesterday. And I want to hear your comments down below of which ones. And again, don't forget, these are going to be available individually. So if you don't want the full bundle, you don't have to buy the full bundle to get these. You can create your own 3-pack or 6-pack or just get one of them. So I love that Scentsy has been listening to us in that department because we have been saying for a while to break up the bundles. I understand on their end why they're wanting to do bundles only for like special collections. I understand it. But on the consumer side, we don't want to have to buy the full bundle if we only want half of the bundle. You know what I mean? It just makes sense. So I love these. Let me know your ideas, your thoughts down below. But thanks for watching and happy Tuesday.